Juanita from Homestead Evolution, and today we're going to be doing some cooking with quail eggs. What we're going to be doing this morning is making a sourdough waffle and substituting the chicken eggs for the quail eggs. Let's come on along. This recipe calls for 2 eggs. We substitute 4 quail eggs per chicken egg, so that means we need 8 quail eggs. Now what I'm going to do with these, I have the oven already up to temperature at 350. I'll put these right in here, let them dry out, and then we will grind them up to add to the food for the quail if necessary. I need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I need 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and we make our own vanilla here on the homestead. This is vodka with vanilla beans that are soaked. I need 1/4 cup of melted butter. I'm going to need 2 tablespoons of honey. This is local honey. Alright, here, the reason I like these measuring spoons so much is you can sit them down and they stay level. So I can use both hands to squeeze this in here and get it out a little faster. One. I should have used my jar honey. I've got some in a mason jar. It would have been easier, but this is a lighter honey. Salt. Put in the eggs. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. What I like to do is go ahead and mix all of these ingredients here and then put in the baking powder.
How much sourdough starter?
We started with 2 cups of sourdough starter. This is what we like to do when we get too much starter going. Instead of wasting it, we'll use it. Okay, now I'll put this baking soda in here. So you get light and fluffy. That's what the baking soda does for you. Now, we're going to use the famous Spider-Man waffle maker. My grandson loves Spider-Man, so he picked this one out. We'll just put a little bit of olive oil spray on here. Well, that puffed up pretty good. See what happens here. Okay, what we decided to do and what I forgot to do when I put the first batch in, so I always put my waffle maker on top of a cookie sheet. That way when you get all this overflow situation sometimes, when you overfill it like I tend to do, it doesn't go all over the counter. So this one's almost ready. Okay, the steam has just about stopped coming out from underneath this waffle maker, so we're going to open it up. There it is. They're a little softer than what you're normally used to, and that's because of the sourdough. But they are good. Spider-Man waffles.